wife just pulled up in her 25 Aikens Ford Raptor R Redline Endo. Look at this truck, y'all. Pinnacle. 720 horsepower, 1.5-inch leveled on 38s, JTXs, 20. But right next door, the direct competitor. I'm in this for the next week. Nate at Fox Factory lent this to me for a little while to drive and test and see. 700 horsepower, the competitor right here. This truck built out is going to be in the 160 range. You're looking at upper 190s on this one here. That's hard to wrap my head around. I know this, y'all, and I get it. I get it wholeheartedly, but this is where we're at price point wise. We're at 720 horsepower on this one and 700 here via Whipple supercharged on a 6.2. These are two diamond of a trucks, and they're the best in the business from an everyday drive point, ride quality, looks, on-road and off-road performance. Just look at this. Oh my God. The wife just told me, she was like, drive the vet. This is all I need right here. Raptor R Redline Endo. That thing is so... This truck right here does handle better. The suspension is better on this truck from an off-road standpoint. I'm really torn. Ultimately, I'm a Ford guy when it comes to the Raptor segment, but I do appreciate the Chevrolet vehicles. Spending a lot of time in this one over the next week. I'll give you more feedback on what I truly feel about this, but it definitely, appearance-wise, compared to the Raptor R Redline Endo, this definitely has more of a West Coast off-road vibe to it, and that's okay, but I just don't know how that's going to resonate on our East Coast customers. I think more of them want this right here. Oh my gosh. That is it. That is it. Wow. I'm partial. What a stunning ride that is right there, y'all. That's got the class and the elegance from an everyday driver standpoint. But if I wanted, listen. That's why she's Real Deal's wife. She gets it. She loves the performance. Oh my gosh. That's pretty special, seeing the wife loving and having fun in a performance vehicle like that. That's just right up my alley. Gets me every time. I love it, y'all. But this truck right here with the suspension, again, being far superior, the Baja kits, front and rear components throughout, different fenders, carbon fiber, bumpers, Whipple supercharger, amp research, lots of options on this. But does it correlate to what we're doing on our endo scene? I'm saying if I'm gonna go off-road exclusively and not daily drive, convenience and style, class, and elegance, then this would be your choice, because it is better off-road and the power is definitely there. But from a one-of-one rare scenario too, for most of our daily drivers, I'm leaning Raptor R, y'all. I'm going Raptor R because I believe in that product so much. But so much respect this vehicle right here from my boys at Fox Factory. I truly love it, and they let me borrow this because I told you, and they know that I'm gonna shoot you straight. I'm gonna give you a non-biased thoughts and info and spend enough time with it, beat on it, prove it, test it, and see what it can do. And it's proven to me so far to be better off-road than the Raptor R. But just from an overall, would I want to drive this and pay this kind of money for it from an everyday driver standpoint, I would go with that Raptor R Endo right there. I really would. But a place for this, if you're a Chevrolet customer and you only want Chevys, then like this is the perfect truck for you. And pick any color now. This is a painted satin silver, which I truly love. And here later on in this video, you're gonna see I'm about to take this to the property, have some fun, see how truly capable it is off-road. Because from an on-road standpoint, I'm gonna go with the Raptor Endo package. From an elegance standpoint, daily driving, it's got this truck beat, but there's a place and a purpose for this. Customers looking for this truck, so I'm here to help educate and make that happen.